Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood.
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, go to ringtonefeeder.com, click the subscribe button, follow the instructions, and then you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction. You get a username and password, you click on the link and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com. And now you can find our ringtones directly on your iPhone. Just search for RingtoneFeeder on the iPhone iTunes app.